Hello everyone, welcome to Scalper Monk. Let's see बैंक निफ्टी prediction for tomorrow. Before that, let's see आज मार्केट में कहाँ रिजेक्शन हुआ और क्यों हुआ. So market has opened gap down and got rejected at the previous day closing. The market has got rejected at the previous day closing and has filled the gap. And at the bottom, the market got rejected from the monthly R1. 40,450 is nothing but a monthly R1, guys. As I can show you, this is monthly R1. So market got rejected from the monthly R1. So coming back, and again at the top the market got rejected from the weekly CPR level. The market got rejected from the weekly CPR level, or you can say it as it also got rejected from the previous day low. The market also rejected from the previous day low. So let's see market support and resistance for tomorrow. So 40,500 and to 40,450. If market breaks this support level, then we can expect to market to go down till 40,000. 40,000 is a round figure level, guys. 40,000 is a round figure level. It can be reversed from this zone, or suppose if it breaks this level, you can blindly go for a PE trade. You can blindly go for a PE trade. And from the top, it has to cross the weekly CPR level. And from the top, it has to cross the weekly CPR level. From there, we can go for a CE trade. So from the top, we have a resistance of 41,352 and then 41,648 and then 41,648, 41,352 again. 41,352 again is nothing but a monthly R2. 41,350 is nothing but a monthly R2. So it has to cross this level. So as per Nifty SGX Nifty right now, the market shows gap down. The market is showing us gap down. So tomorrow I feel there will be a one-side trending movement. There will be a one-side trending movement. I'm expecting a PE trade also. If suppose market gapped up and it crossed the CPR weekly CPR, then we'll go for a CE trade. Thank you, guys.